Okay, we're here at the Fergus truck show, folks, and I got a bit of a treat for you because we're going to take a little drive up here and we're going to take a look at some of the trucks that are here today and make a video for you to take a look at. We may not get all the trucks here, but we're going to get a good portion of the trucks. We're going to give you an idea of what's here today.
Mr. Smeltzer.
Have we got any idea of how many trucks are here today, Kev? Do you know? Or?
I think I've heard definitely over 200.
Over 200 trucks, folks, and there's more and more rolling in as we speak. They've been rolling in all day, all night. Some guys got in here Wednesday, Thursday. The smart guys always come in Thursday. If you have a load that you can deliver on a Thursday, you get here to Fergus, you can get some of the best spots. You come in on Saturday, well, you gotta pick where you gotta go. As you can see, it's a great time to camp, hang out with good friends. Challenger folks are always a big hit here. They bring in a live bandstand here. As you can see, they got a band playing. The church service on Sunday with the good Glenn Reimer. Run into a Challenger recruiter or somebody from there, make sure to give them a big thank you for what they do. Look at that. You don't see many of those. Will at the Fergus truck show. see the crowds over there for the tractor pulls and the truck pulls. I believe there was over 2,000 people here last night enjoying those truck pulls. If you saw some of our previous videos, we have them up on the Facebook page there, and they are some awesome times. I'll tell you, I can't say enough about the Fergus Truck Show. This is truly a trucker show. You can come here, you can camp here, you can meet new friends here, you can meet old friends here, you can have a really good time. The entertainment is live tonight in the Wellington Center, starts at 7:30. You can go in there, rain or shine, it is going to go on. Rain and shine, everybody's gonna have fun out here in the parking lots, as I say. Parking lots, it's grass. As you can see, people have tents, they got barbecues. I mean, this is the place to come if you love trucking. Keep on trucking. As you see, folks, a lot of work has gone into polishing these trucks, getting these trucks cleaned up for the show. Majority of the shows here are trucks here at the show are working trucks.
Oh, back up, back up, back up.
using the old iPhone 6 to get all these good pictures for you so we can get them up on the website for you so you can see them right away. We also have the real video camera going in the background, and we will have the real video from a camera up there probably in the next 2 days for you to see. Meantime, you get to see here firsthand. This is definitely a social occasion here. Everybody's having a good time. Everybody's visiting.
A little shy.
A little shy there.
Johnny, part-time TV guy.
Oh, is it? Yeah.
A lot of Facebook guys will know him. Well, that's his truck.
That's his truck.
Not gonna be Facebook famous.
And what was that name again, just for the viewers?
Johnny, part-time TV guy.
Johnny, part-time CB guy. That's who we just
Sorry,
went
buddy.
by there. Send him a message. Tell him you saw his truck there on Canadian Trucking Magazine Facebook page. And you saw him live at the Fergus truck show. At least you saw his truck.
Yeah, they go to sleep.
Now, these are some of the prime spots I was talking to you about, drivers. You have to get in here Wednesday, Thursday to get a good spot like this, where you're backed right up. There's trees in the background. You can set your tent up behind. A lot of these guys have been coming here for 30 years. So this 30th anniversary, they're old pros to coming out here to the Fergus Truck Show, setting a tent up, setting up the barbecue, and meeting all the friends they've been seeing here for years. Suicide doors on that Peterbilt. That's Michael Wilkinson's truck right there. There is a huge amount of Task trucks here. Good support for the... Thank you, Task, for your support to the Fergus Truck Show. And there you have it, folks. There's a brief rundown of the trucks that we have here at the Fergus Truck Show. The good Len Reimer from Transport for Christ. He's always out here every year with his good wife Sue, and they spend the time, drop by and say hi when you're out here to them.